guys, it's Thalia and Theo, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be sharing you guys we got in our BARKBOX, and we're gonna unbox it with you guys and share what we got for this month of April. First received the package, we did open it, and he got so excited, especially for the toys. But we decided to share it with you guys and kind of show you what we got for this month. And yeah, if you guys are new, hi, my name is Thalia and this is Theo, and welcome to our channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button, just hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. This is what the package looks like, and like the theme, what's the password, pal? And open this up. Shutdown treat street. That's funny. And then here it says wanted. Really cute theme going on. And what we got, this is what the box looks like. All the goodies and treats going on. And we did receive a little card. It says Scoop, his epic tale begins. That's cute, huh? And it says, oh, it's a movie, only in theaters May 2020. Just give your friend a Scooby box. Your next box will be Scoop 2. Oh, that's cool. It's gonna be a Scooby-Doo theme. That is so cool. I'm actually excited for this. You excited, the other? Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. No? Okay. It's just a reminder, like, when you play with your dog, supervise him. Treats and toys are not for eating, and if they destroy the toy, make sure you throw it away. You might receive in your BARKBOX, so let me show you. Sorry, Theo, I'm gonna block you for a little bit. And these are the cute toys that you might receive. I'm actually really excited to see what we got. We already looked at it just to let you know, but we want to share it with you guys. Okay, so the first thing that he received, okay, this is so cute. Actually pretty cool. So it's like a little drink. It looks like a martini drink, and there's a little ball that actually attached with the cup. This is so cute, honestly. And this makes a noise. Look here, a bomb. This also makes a squeaky noise, which is really cool because he can play with both. It's just so cute. So this is like the cherry inside of the drink glass. Next thing that he received are these little treats. These are pork recipe dark treats, and it's with spinach and carrots, made in USA. Wheat-free, soy-free, and corn-free and grain-free, which is pretty cool. Come on, I'm gonna give him one, see if he likes it. So he likes it. Oh, come on, Theo. You dropped it. He likes his treats. So these are the pork with spinach and carrots. Taylor likes it. That's a good sign. Received this cute little Tonky toy. Hey, Theo, come on. This is a cat pony. This is so cute. Look at this. Very cute. Really like this toy. Look, Theo. You like it? You got two cute toys. So the next treats that he received is on the lamb recipe dark treats. This is with pears. This is also wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. So this is what the package looks like. I want to smell a little weird. No? Here. You drop your treat, Theo. Here. He didn't like them, so I'll probably try them later, see if he will eat it, but he wasn't really interested. Now, these are so far his favorite treats. This soft and chewy peanut butter carbo stick. This is a dog treat, and this one is soft and chewy, so definitely he will keep it. So I just have to do like a little tiny pieces so he will eat it. I think these two toys are so cute. But yeah, so he got two toys, 3 treats. I'll play with it later. Right now he's not like super active. So far this BARKBOX is pretty good. These treats, I'm not so sure the lamb, so I'll probably give him one later and hopefully he eats it. That is pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys on the next BARKBOX. Bye, guys.